Hey friends, and welcome back to the Get the Tech Out of Here channel. I took the summer off. I was doing a lot of traveling and then was dealing with some medical issues, unfortunately, for most of August, but I am back and our YouTube channel is back. And this is a great way to kick it off because there was recently a new feature added to System's calendar feature that now makes the calendar feature in System basically on par with TidyCal and Calendly and all of those other things. So one of the last videos that I did was talking about the Google Calendar integration, which was a huge step in the right direction, but I still didn't move any of my events over from TidyCal because of one feature that was missing. And that feature was the ability to say, you can't let anyone schedule less than 24 hours from now. Meaning I want to know what my schedule for tomorrow is before I go to bed tonight. And there was no way to do that. There was no way to like block a minimum amount of time before someone was able to schedule yet. So I didn't move any of my events over. However, when I was out sick, that feature was added by System's team, which now means that the System.io calendar is a perfectly functional and reasonable replacement for everything that I was doing inside TidyCal or Calendly. So I wanted to just show you where that is. If you're in your System.io dashboard and you're at your calendar, which is under your CRM tab, so you're looking at your CRM tab and you go to calendar, you will see the events that you have there. And if you click into any of these events, you're now going to be able to scroll down and see that there is a minimum notice period. This is what I'm talking about here, and this was the feature that I was waiting for before I moved all of my stuff over to System's calendar functionality. So I'm super excited about this because now you can say they've got to wait it's got to be at least 2 hours from now or 2 days from now, or if you're on your computer all day, I guess you could say 30 minutes. For me personally, I really like having at least 24 hours of notice, right? Or you could do 1 day, it doesn't really make a difference. But I really want to have that notice in there. So again, I know what my schedule is going to look like tomorrow before I go to bed tonight. That's why I want to have that in there. So once we go ahead and we change that minimum notice period and we save the event, we'll be able to see that it is now blocking things off of our calendar within that time period. So that's basically how that feature works, and it's a really exciting change. So in an upcoming video that I will be sure to link below this video, I'm also going to show you how to move over events from something like TidyCal or Calendly and replicate the same sort of event straight inside System so that you can see what that entire migration process looks like for me as I do it live for my events so that you can go ahead and do it for yours as well. I'll see you over there soon.